every day, one by one, I'm gonna try every recipe of Laura, starting from the very beginning. Come, join me on my challenge. Let's go! Hi everyone! My name is Ruta and welcome to the 294th day of my challenge, where I'm gonna try yet another recipe which will totally go into party foods list. My god, am I coming strong to Lithuania for the holidays. I have so many. I feel like I'm really trying out so many recipes which will be just perfect for the holidays or any kind of get together really. So today I'm gonna try roasted red pepper salsa. If you've tried Laura's roasted peppers, which is exactly what I did today as well, look at these beauties. This is amazing. This is really simple and easy. Even though I have access to roasted peppers in a can, I don't really like their taste. They taste a bit like there's this marinade, and this, when you make it yourself, my god, it tastes like it's from fire. It's so sweet and I don't know, amazing. If you haven't tried Laura's roasted peppers, highly suggest that. So I will leave the link to that video, which is actually really entertaining as well, because I tried that for the very first time in my life, to do that at home, and let's just say there were some being scared involved. It was really fun. Since then I made it countless times. I don't sweat anymore, I'm not scared anymore. The home smells so nice. I love the smell. It smells like someone just camped in my home, but in a good way, cooked something on fire. It's so amazing. So I have a feeling that this recipe I'm gonna love, because every single one where I used these roasted peppers, which actually have quite a few recipes with them, off the top of my head there was this just a mixture, really amazing, this roasted pepper basil mixture. Then there were the bruschetta, there was bruschetta, roasted pepper bruschetta, there was panini with mushroom and this roasted pepper. I'm pretty sure I put it in some sort of main dish as well, like soup maybe, I don't really remember, but I mean, I loved every single one of them. These peppers are seriously amazing. So if you're curious to see how it goes trying this recipe out for the very first time, then keep on watching. We're gonna need 3 roasted peppers, 3 tomatoes, halved and seeds removed, 2 scallions, or actually one if they're as big as mine, roughly chopped, 10 grams of fresh basil, 1 clove of garlic, roughly chopped, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and salt and pepper. Alrighty, let's make this. This smells so good, my god. Am I obsessed with roasted peppers? This is like the other spread recipes I've tried. I'm gonna make it in my food processor together, well, with the bladed attachment. I'm gonna pretty much add everything here minus the extra virgin olive oil, which I'm gonna add towards the end, and just go to the base unit and blend away until coarsely chopped. So just to quickly recap, it's the roasted peppers, tomatoes, onion, basil, what was that, balsamic vinegar, and the garlic. At this stage you could also season with salt and pepper. I'm not gonna do that just because I learn again and again that I'm terrible at just judging the amount of food. I always undersalt it. So I'm gonna actually season once I have the coarsely chopped mixture, because then I will be able to judge how much seasoning it will need, if that makes any sense. Anyways, if you don't have that problem, season with salt and pepper as well. This is the moment where I'm gonna season with salt and pepper, just because I can sort of judge, you know, how much I have. So once I season with salt and pepper, I'm gonna put the lid back on, and then through the feeding tube, I'm gonna stream in the extra virgin olive oil while pulsing, and that's it. the exact same way Laura did on a piece of bread. I wish I had a baguette or some other fancier kind of bread, but oops, that will do. This smells, oh my god, oh my god, roasted peppers. That's where it's at. My god, it is good. This has to be my favorite spread of the all I've tried. 1 second. Oh my god. I just love roasted peppers. It's something I discovered with Laura. Never tasted them before, and now I just cannot imagine my life without them. So this, what was the name? Roasted red pepper salsa has to be my favorite. Then would be the hummus. Oh my god, that was really good too. And then the last place I would give to olive tapenade, I think. No one asked for ratings, but there you have it. 1 sec, I feel like I have something. Sometimes when I edit videos, I'm like, man, I wish someone told me I had parsley in between my teeth, like all outro long. Anyways, this is an amazing recipe. This, again, you can serve with different kinds of veggies. You can serve it with baguette, with other kinds of bread. You can even serve it with or on top of fish, poultry, or beef. So basically it's like a wonder dish. Apparently it tastes, my god. If you are planning to try one of them, I would highly suggest you to try this one first from those 3 spreads. I mean, the bell pepper is like soft and like sweet, and I just love it, honestly. Here's how Laura's spread looks like. I would say mine looks pretty much the exact same way. If you want to watch how Laura made it, the link is there in the card. You can find the written recipe in both American and the metric systems in the description box down below, as always, so that anyone who wishes could try Laura's recipes. And I will just go and finish up off, I don't even care, honestly, this tasty thing. My god, I love this recipe, honestly, love it. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.